I'm Andersson, the founder of Prosthetics. My journey began 1978 when I graduated from Gothenburg University with a degree in dentistry. Little did I know then where I would end up.
You know, Brånemark's approach with titanium implant-supported prosthesis is very interesting.
I agree. This could be a game changer for patients with gum inflammation or bone loss.
Yes. Maybe next week we'll know more.
What's happening next week?
Oh, I'm visiting a friend in Karlskoga at a titanium manufacturing site. We're conducting a test there. Hopefully with some promising results.
Hi Mats.
Hi Mats!
Great to see you.
Great to see you too. Wow, I'm eager to see the results.
Yes, let's head straight into the manufacturing site. I think you will be impressed.
Really?
Come with me.
I'm very much looking forward to seeing it.
This meeting in Karlskoga was a turning point. Before, we didn't know how to perfect the crown. The kind of precision that was needed, we couldn't achieve that. Mats showed me the test results, and there were no question whatsoever that we could achieve the necessary precision that was needed to make a good clinical crown. It's crazy to say that everything started in a garage.